Office. Yeah, maybe we can make a tour.
Let me see. We have to register.
Yeah.
You will have a Hummel for sure and the jacket, yellow one.
Hello. Okay, so I have to fill in.
Date, name, last name, Mintos.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we already, sorry, I did not put out the camera all the time. Now we already entered the building. I think we cannot enter up there. But this will be the office?
It's going to be for other companies.
Ah, for another. Okay. Hello.
Что-то шлак-то, я? Да, лучше там, да, он же спускается.
So this is the third or fourth floor.
Okay.
And then
We can use this staircase because it's open. Yeah.
Upstairs is the sixth floor.
Welcome to Mintos. I'm the first one. Oh, that's great. And you guys are also the first ones, huh? On the video.
So basically we're gonna have, but you're gonna see only part of it because we're gonna have connection to another building there.
Okay.
And then from that side we go all the way to that side. Here we're gonna have a lot of meeting rooms actually, workspaces, most of them on this side.
A lot of cable already. For everything. Oh my god.
Fast internet, right?
Fast internet, very important for a fintech company.
Bathrooms. And there's gonna be more like kitchen area. And then this is gonna be the main entrance and lobby.
So this is where you will come in.
This will be the entrance, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay,
The
okay.
reception is going to be here. The stage is going to be there, and then the kitchen goes to this.
Okay. Kitchen, over there. But, one of the most important places.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's really wonderful.
Where is the coffee, where is the food?
Yeah.
I need this, very important.
It's always fun.
Yes.
We are in the meeting room at the moment.
So next time maybe we meet here.
Yeah, we are out of the meeting room.
Okay?
Yeah, so this is basically end of this part of the office.
Yeah.
And the other, this is basically half what you saw.
Okay.
And then the other half going to be actually more than that. In total, I think we're going to have 2,300 square meters, and this one is like
2,000.
This is around 1,000, and then
Okay, this 1,000 and the other 1,400 or something like that, I see. And it's for 250 employees about. Yeah.
Capacity is around like 200 people.
About this, but it's also maybe possible a bit more because I think with 2,400 square meter you can.
I think usually people say it's around like 10 square meters per
Yeah.
per person, and that's really comfortable.
That's true. And all this cable, yeah, you have to check it on the video as well, yeah. Everything prepared for fast connection, power and everything. And you already paid for it?
Yeah. Well, about all the construction, so the office itself obviously rented.
Ah, it's rented?
Yeah, well, the office of course is rented.
Ah, okay, I see.
August 9th,
But-
promised the date when we will bring in the furniture.
But it's of course planned a long-term rental, I think.
Yeah, well, at least for a few years, definitely. So basically what we had is like everything we could build from scratch. So all the what's gonna be there, how many meeting rooms, how we gonna do the seating areas, like we are at the lounge areas, like small rooms. We have specific library room, for instance, just for reading. Then we're gonna have a nap room where you can actually take a nap. So all those things we could actually implement because it's just gives you an open floor plan.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you can.
So and the connection to the other building will be here?
Yeah. So through here.
Through this wall. This will be
so through this wall.
broken.
So we're gonna get to the building here, and
Show
then,
me.
and then the office is there.
This is the office.
Yeah, and the other part. Yeah.
Yeah, and it will be connected to this one.
Yeah, and that's connected, and then on the 7th floor we're gonna have another kind of hall. The same you were last year.
Ah, yeah. So it's connected to the old one at least.
Yeah, it's like, well, we're gonna connect all of them.
Okay, and in this one from the last year, now there is somebody else inside, or?
Yeah.
Okay, so you changed it just for 1 year or something like that, and then go back to use.
Well, the initial
everything.
plan was actually to come only to this office.
Yeah.
But there's been a lot of traction and growth, and also our team has been growing quite a bit.
Yeah.
So in this area we can sit only 120 people. So.
Yeah.
If we want to go down, then yes, I guess.
Good. So next year we still welcome you here. To the,
Yeah, sure. Thank you for this specific view to be the first to see the new office. Yeah. Very cool. Just that I'm not confused. Where is the office we have been right now for the interview?
That one.
That one.
Yeah.
And last time we were up there.
Up there.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I will put the last interview as well in this video description. Okay, so you can check it out. This one and the last one. But last time we had no space. We were in the staircase, I think.
Yeah.
Downstairs. So, what do you think about the new office? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this specific view in this building. Okay, great. So, thank you for the guide, and make it possible to make the video here. And yeah, goodbye and thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos.